Hi guys, I'm back to making videos again, and I've got to tell you, it feels good to be back picking. My hands have been feeling so much better here lately, and I truly believe it's because of this lion's mane tincture that I've been making and myself and taking myself. It's this stuff right here. Originally, there it is, that stuff. I originally made the tincture just for myself. I had no plans on selling it. I just wanted something that was natural, and I wanted to know what was in it, and I wanted to make it right. So I made it for myself. But it worked so well for me and my wife, I figured why not share it with the others. Also, I made it for my memory and focus, because you know when you get older you walk into a room and forget why you went in there. So, but it turns out it also helps with inflammation in my hands. So that was a big extra bonus for me. Anyway, here's the lick. Okay guys, this lick can be used as a kickoff or turnaround. It's really good for either one. Here's the lick without any backup. Okay, now we're going to start off on the 4th string 7th fret, hit that twice. Then we're going to go down to the 3rd string 6th fret, hammer onto the 7th. So we got. Then we go to the 2nd string 5th fret, and back to the 3rd string 7th fret. So we got. Okay, then we're going to go to the 2nd string 5th fret, hammer onto the 7th, then to the 1st string 5th fret, 2nd string 7th fret, pull off to the 5th fret. So that's. So the whole thing is. Okay, then we're going to go to the 3rd string 7th fret, 2nd string 5th fret, and then the 3rd string 6th fret. The lick's in D, and this is where it goes to the A here. So we got D. Try that again. Okay, then we're going to go to the back down to the 1st string 5th fret. We'll do that pull off again on the 2nd string 7th to the 2nd string 5th. Then back to the 3rd string 7th fret. And then 2nd string 5th fret. And then back to the 3rd string 3rd fret. Back to the D. Just like that. Okay guys, if you're curious about the lion's mane tincture I mentioned, just take a minute to check out my website, bluelionwellness.com. I make every batch by hand from whole mushrooms, no fillers and no shortcuts. Thanks for watching. God bless, and keep on picking, guys.